Well, Wally here. I was just out doing a little bit of gardening and I decided to just touch up the chains on the chainsaw. So stay tuned. Guys, so this is a little update video on my most viewed video of all time. Okay, must be up and around 40,000 views at this stage. Okay, and it is on the Dremel Chainsaw Sharpening attachment. Okay, so I've been getting a couple of questions and stuff like that about it and how to use it and stuff. So I just thought easiest thing to do is to do an update video. So here we go. I just have to tidy my shed, of course. It's a mess. Right, so this is my Husqvarna Rancher 455. Okay, good saw. And this is my Dremel. So I bought the chainsaw attachment, and when you buy the chainsaw attachment, it comes with these sharpening stones here. Okay, comes with different sizes sharpening stones for different size of blades. Okay, different size of chains. Sorry. So this is the one that you would normally use with the type of chain that I have on my saw. Okay, I think it's 4.8. Probably have that wrong. Okay, so what I went and did is, after a couple of guys messaged on the original video and they said that I should change to diamond bits. Okay, so that's what I've done. I went on eBay and I got some diamond bits for the saw. Okay, now I have been using this for so long. Let me just move this. I have been using it for so long that I freehand now all the time. Sorry, hang on. Let me set up. Right, so what I found with using the Dremel and using the guides and stuff and everything that come with it is that it was a little bit slow, alright? Mainly because you had to attach it to here, okay? So the Dremel attachment fits on here with all your guides and stuff like that. And away you go, okay? Which was okay at the start, alright, but I did find it a little bit slow and a little bit cumbersome to use. So what I ended up doing is I ended up putting it on the pen attachment for the Dremel and just freehanding it, which I find much quicker. And once you follow along with the guidelines that's on the saw, it's not an issue. So this is what I do. Okay, you see this little line here? All I'm doing is I'm keeping at that angle when I'm filing, okay? Sometimes I will give it one file like this and then the rest like that, okay? Let me just try and find a good spot for you guys so you can see what's going on. You see that okay? So I'm marking this spot here because when I get to that spot again, I will know that I have done the chain. Now it's going to get noisy. straightforward, guys. So once you get the hang of what angle you need to be putting the cut in at, or you need to be putting the grinding disc stone thing in at, you can freehand it very easy, and it takes no time at all, and that's the chain completely sharpened, okay? And I've never had an issue with them. Okay, now what I'm using here, guys, is I'm using a Rototech bar and chain. All right, and what I found is that the diamond cutters on this are much better at sharpening the Rototech chains, because the Rototech chains are really tough to sharpen, and I found it was just eating up the other ones. Alright, hope that answers all the questions, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, all that jazz. Stay frosty.